AirPods 4 versus AirPods Pro. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about these two popular choices in Apple's wireless earbud lineup. If you're trying to decide whether to invest in the more premium AirPods Pro or save some cash with the latest AirPods 4, I believe you're not alone with that dilemma. We'll explore their features, sound quality, design, and more to help you make an informed choice. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of which pair fits your needs and budget best. So let's jump right in. Let's kick things off by talking about design. Right off the bat, the AirPods 4 keeps that iconic stem design that we're all familiar with, but Apple has made some refinements. The stems are slightly shorter compared to previous generations, giving it a sleeker look. They're still very lightweight, and I believe they continue to be some of the most comfortable wireless earbuds for all-day use. Now the AirPods Pro. This is where things get interesting. Unlike the AirPods 4, the Pro model comes with silicone ear tips that create a seal in your ear, which is essential for active noise cancellation. Personally, I think the AirPods Pro are more comfortable for longer listening sessions because of this snug fit. The ear tips also come in 3 sizes, so you can find the one that works best for you. Alright, let's move on to the part that matters most, sound quality. Starting with the AirPods 4, Apple has certainly made improvements here. The sound is crisp, and there's a solid balance between bass, mids, and highs. You can enjoy most genres of music, podcasts, or videos without any issue. But I believe the sound is more geared toward the average listener who wants a good, reliable experience, nothing too flashy. Now, when you switch to the AirPods Pro, the difference is immediately noticeable. The Pro model features adaptive EQ, which automatically tunes the sound to the shape of your ear. This, paired with the active noise cancellation, gives you a much more immersive listening experience. The bass is punchier, the mids are richer, and I'd say the overall audio quality is more dynamic. For those who are serious about sound quality, whether you're a music enthusiast or just want the best audio experience Apple offers, I believe the AirPods Pro is hands down the better option. Speaking of active noise cancellation, this is one of the key differences between the two models. The AirPods 4 does not offer ANC, meaning you'll still hear background noise while you're listening to music or taking calls. That might be fine for some people, but if you find yourself in noisy environments often, whether it's a busy coffee shop, an airplane, or even a gym, ANC can be a game changer. The AirPods Pro, on the other hand, comes with both active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The ANC works incredibly well for wireless earbuds. It's not going to give you the same noise isolation as full-sized headphones, but for its size, it's impressive. I've tested them in various environments, and I believe the difference is significant. You'll hear a lot less background noise, allowing you to focus on your music or calls. Next up is battery life. The AirPods 4 offers up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, which is an improvement over the previous AirPods 3. And with the charging case, you're looking at a total of around 30 hours. The AirPods Pro, on the other hand, gives you about 4.5 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation turned on. Turn off ANC and you'll stretch that to around 5 hours, which is slightly less than the AirPods 4. In this case, you can get up to 24 hours of total listening time. So if battery life is a big deal for you, I believe the AirPods 4 wins here, especially if you're not concerned about ANC. Both earbuds have Apple's H1 chip, which means you get the same quick pairing, seamless switching between devices, and hands-free Siri on both models. But the AirPods Pro has a few additional tricks up its sleeve. First, the force sensors on the AirPods Pro allow you to control your music, toggle between ANC and transparency mode, or take calls. The AirPod 4 uses the same touch controls as previous models, but the Pro's force sensors feel more responsive and precise to me. Both models work with spatial audio, and if you're into immersive sound experiences, this is a fantastic feature, especially when you're watching movies or using apps that support it. But again, I believe the AirPods Pro benefits most from this, thanks to its noise-canceling capabilities. Finally, let's talk about price. The AirPods 4 comes in at around $169, while the AirPods Pro is priced at $249. So there's a significant price difference. If you're someone who just wants a solid pair of wireless earbuds for casual use, the AirPods 4 will serve you well. They're affordable and deliver good sound quality for most users. But if you're willing to spend the extra money, I believe the AirPods Pro is the better choice overall. The sound quality, active noise cancellation, and comfort make a big difference in day-to-day use, especially if you're frequently in noisy environments or care about that premium listening experience. So, which one should you choose? I believe it all comes down to your needs and budget. Both models are excellent, but one might suit you better depending on what you value most. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.